Starting from this lecture and the next one, we will talk about the most famous visualizations which we can use through Power BI. The first visualization we will learn how to create is a map. We can open a new page and create a map. Previously, we created a map by selecting the country, and here we can select the continent and the number of total cases. By making this map larger, we can find that here are all the continents, and if we move the mouse to the continent, to this bubble, we will find the name of the continent and the number of total cases in each continent. If I need to change the format of this map, I can simply select this map and go to the Format button in the Visualizations pane. You will find here all the variables which you can change to change the format of the map. For example, the data about the total cases are displayed here using a bubble size. If I want to change these bubbles, I can go to the Bubbles drop-down menu, and by moving this button, I can change the size of the bubble. You can make it larger or make it smaller according to what you see is suitable for you. Always remember, there is a revert to default link in each field in the Format tab. For example, if you need to revert to default, you can simply click this link. You will find that all bubbles return to their original size. You can also change the map style. There is a map style drop-down menu. You can simply click the map style, and here are about 5 shapes or styles for the map. You can select any of them as appropriate. This is one of them. This is dark. This is grayscale. You can try them and select the appropriate one. There are some other fields in the map controls, or you can modify it as appropriate. For example, it's the title. You will find here the title is on, and the title is on the top left of the map. If you switch it off, you will find the title disappeared. You can switch it on again and click this drop-down menu. Here you can change the title. For example, you can rename it as Total Cases. Total cases per continent. You can also wrap this text. You can modify the font color as you wish. You can also modify the background color of the title. Can make it light blue. You can modify the alignment, maybe in the center or left or right. You can modify the text size. You can change the font family, and so on. And don't forget, there is always a revert to default button if you need to return back to the original format of any visualization. There are some other controls or some other fields in the map. For example, there is borders. You can add borders to your map, and you can modify the border color and thickness as you wish. If I need to modify the data in this map, I can go to the Fields button in the Visualizations pane, and I will find that the location is related to the continent field, and the bubble size displays the total cases in each continent. If I want to change this map and I want the number of cases per country, not per continent. How can I do this? Simply I can go to this fields button and go to location and remove the continent and drag and drop country to this location. You will find that the map now displays each country and the number of cases in each country. To make this map larger to fit in this area, you can double click and you can move it until it fits to the dedicated area. Now if you go to any country, you will find that the bubble displays the country name and the total cases. If I want to add more fields to be displayed in this window, for example, I need to display the total cases plus the total deaths plus the total recovered and so on. I can go to this tooltips and add whatever the fields I need to display. For example, I need to display the total deaths, total tests, and total recovered. If I moved my cursor to any country, for example USA, I will find all my needed data to be displayed are displayed now on the map. But don't forget, now the fields in the map changed and the title is still total cases per continent. I can go to the format button and scroll down till I find title and modify this title, maybe by removing continent and modify it to be only total cases.